Hi folks, it's Mike from Kitchen Tips Online, and on this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to remove labels from jars and bottles, including empty medication containers. I do my best to respond to every comment, so please let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. After I show you how to remove a label from a jar, I'll show you a surprisingly easy way to get rid of that stubborn glue residue that's left behind. The best way to remove labels is to use hot water to soften up the glue, and the hotter the water, the easier it will be to remove the label. Tap water by itself is not hot enough, so I'm going to heat up 4 cups of water in the microwave until it's almost boiling. I'm going to use a bowl big enough to completely submerge the jar. I'll start by pouring hot water into the jar, then I'll put the lid on it. The weight of the water inside the jar will keep it submerged, allowing the hot water to loosen the adhesive from the inside and the outside. I'll pour the rest of the hot water around the jar and finish filling up the bowl with the hottest tap water available. Soak the jar in the hot water for 2 minutes to loosen the adhesive. Once the adhesive behind the label has been softened by the hot water, you can use a single-edge razor blade to carefully slide it off. Now let me show you how easy it is to remove the sticky residue left behind using an SOS pad. If you're a subscriber, you know that the best way to keep SOS pads from rusting is to store them in a sealed jar. Let the jar cool down, because once it does, the adhesive will be much easier to remove. Then you can use an SOS or Brillo pad to easily brush off the leftover adhesive. If you want to see more videos like this, I recommend you subscribe. Thanks for watching.